The 2WD Robotics Chassis is an educational learning kit for students, hobbyists, developers, learners, artists, and teenagers to get hands-on experience with robotics and can extend electronic systems like Raspberry Pi and Arduino. It includes motors, a chassis, an ultrasonic sensor, wheels, and a battery holder. The kit is easy to disassemble. The main body of the chassis is made of a laser-cut acrylic sheet and can hold two gear motors on either side and a supporting universal caster wheel. This two-wheel robot car has placeholders for different sensors, servos, and modules. And it comes with a user manual and assembly video. The kit can be used to build a robot for distance sensing, obstacle avoidance, line following, flame detector, speed testing, wireless remote controlled car, and any other creative work. This kit includes everything you need to get started with robotics, using an Arduino and a lot of things that will take you from a beginner to an enthusiast.